Well, I'm still cleaning this rifle up. As you can see from the patches, it was extremely dirty. There's the cleanest patch at the end, and it's still got lead fouling in it. So I'm going to run through the. We're going to go through and check out the endoscope, and we'll see what has changed. I'm sure it's going to look a little bit better than it did before, but this is going to take probably multiple times to get all that lead fouling out. I mean, I even mashed down a couple of my brushes trying to get through this thing. It's been so heavily encrusted in there over the years. But yeah, so let's go over and take a look at the endoscope. And we'll set that up. And you guys can see what's going on. I'm going to drop this down. I'll get closer. Closer still. There. Now you'll get a complete picture when I run the brushes through. Okay. We're at the bottom right now. So watch as we go through, and you should see the spirals of the rifling in this. It's actually showing up a lot better now than it did before. See those little specks and stuff? That's still lead fouling in there. There's still lead in there. I have yet to get out with over 100 run-throughs with the brushes. In fact, multiple brushes, about 3 different types. And I've run patches through it, brushes, solvent. I've run everything through this thing. And still, looks like it's still, I think what it's going to take is I'm going to have to let this thing soak for, solvent soak in this thing for a while, cap off either end and soak it for a while, because it's just been in there so long. That's the problem. But it's a lot cleaner on this video than it was the last one. If you compare this video with my last one, yeah, it's made a difference cleaning it. Let's see, are we near the end? We're getting close to the end. There, that's the end. Now, we'll go back through a little faster, and you'll be able to see the spiraling as I go through. Like I said, this is going straight. That spiraling you're seeing is from the barrel itself and the rifling in it. Now, I'm supposed to be getting another order in today, and that order is going to be used for, it's a tool I've bought for making percussion caps. I will be making black powder percussion caps for my black powder rifles and handguns. There we go, that's the bottom. Okay, so yeah, there's a place I'm going to show you that when I get it. It's supposedly in the mail right now. But yeah, there you go. It looks like it's a little cleaner, but I'm going to need to do some more soaking and everything else on it. But it's looking better. So that'll be it for now. See you guys later.